Hello, good afternoon. It's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Hope you're well. Wanted to do a brief video on this car for you. Just coming to part exchange. Wanted to have a bit of a chat, bit of a walkthrough. Definitely worth doing. Really nice specification. So we're a big Discovery. We're a D350. So that's a 3-litre straight 6 diesel twin turbo 350 horsepower. And we're a HSE. So we're at the top end of the Discovery range. Finished in Varesine Blue. We've got the black pack on the car, which is your black lettering, your black grills, these vents on the front bumper and obviously on the side as well. We've got adaptive LED headlights with high beam assist on the car, and we've got the nice upgrade of the larger 22-inch diamond turned alloy wheels. Gloss black finishes along the bottom of the vehicle, with it having the black pack along with the contrast roof and the privacy glass as well. We have 360 cameras on the car and keyless entry, denoted by all the little indents on the door handles. It's a fully approved car, so it will come with at least 1 year warranty. There is 2 years available if you are financing, with a small contribution from yourselves. At the rear of the car, we've got rear LED lights, the rear camera with it being 360 cameras, and we've got the powered boot lid. With it being a Discovery, it is a full 7-seater and it will comfortably sit 7 adults. We have a tailgate at the top, and we have the split folding tailgate to be able to just sit and change shoes, whatever you want to do on there for you. Plenty of space in the rear, and those seats will go down for a really nice large boot capacity. Around the side of the car, again, with it being an approved car, you should expect no damage, no scuffs, no scrapes, certainly no marks on the alloy wheels. Privacy glass on the car. If we go to the rear of the car, we've got the really nice two-tone interior in there. The rear seats will recline, just to give it a little bit more comfort for those longer journeys. And there is rear seat heating as well, and 2 USB-C points. If I just come around to the passenger front, again, really nice two-tone interior. We've got the electric seats for the driver and the passenger. The driver's seat does have a memory function, but they're finished in the full leather interior. It is really nice. If I just come around to the driver's side, our exact mileage on the car today is 17,951 miles, so really nice mileage for the year of the car. We've got the twin sunblinds just on the front and the rear. Now the front one will open and tilt as well, which is a nice feature, lets a lot of light into the cabin. Newest Pivi Pro system on here, so you've got your sat nav, your phone, your media. This button on here does your air suspension, because it will lower and raise up as well. It can be set to automatically lower down when you get out the car. And if you just tap on here, you'll see you've got your full Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. Heated front and rear windscreens, and then we push and twist for your heated seats on there. 3 settings for the driver and the passenger, and they also have the cooled seats as well. Cup holders just on here, and then with digital storage just down in the center section. And then just up on here, we have got the wireless charging facility for the mobile phone, and all your 4-wheel drive system is looked after by this little wheel here. It has got all auto terrain response, but you can choose grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts and sand. Full interactive driver display. That can adapt to what you would like. So currently it's just set for the trip in the center, but you could have the map and the trip, or just the map in isolation. And we have got digital speedo with traffic sign recognition as well. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have all your infotainment bits and pieces, and on the right hand side of the steering wheel, we've got your adaptive cruise control with speed limiter and heated steering wheel as well. Full Meridian surround sound system in the car as well, which is a nice feature, very punchy and very, very clear. Hopefully that will all make sense to you. I know it's a very, very quick rundown, but it's a really well spec'd car. Now, we can just reserve this car for £99, subject to test drive, looking at finance or your part exchange. If you'd like to do that, please give me a call. My name's Chris and the number's 01642 644 444.